Here we're going to look at topic 27, example 1, write radicals using rational exponents. So the first thing I want to look at is actually these formulas down here. It says you can define the meaning, so we're looking here, you can define the meaning of other rational exponents in a similar way. That's kind of just backwards. It's if I explain this problem first. But if the nth root of a is a real number and m is an integer, then it's a little tough to see here, but basically what they're writing here is a to the 1 over n is equal to the nth root of a, and there would be that 1 here, right? Or, if you want to look at more variables, if you have m over n as your exponent, you can rewrite that as the nth root of a raised to the m power, or the nth root of a, and then that quantity raised to the m power. Okay, so we want to keep that in mind. So when we're looking at the question, the original question, what does 3 to the 1/2 power equal? So if you have 3 to the 1/2 power, that's in the form a to the 1 over n. Actually, it's already written here, so I'm just going to highlight again. That's in this form right here, 1 over n. So what I can do is I can rewrite this as a radical. The 3 would go on the inside. The 2 is going to go on the outside here. So we put 2 here. And then I'm going to write it in, but you don't really need the 1 because 3 to the first power is, right, just 3. So let's highlight that. That 1 goes there. And that's all we're really looking to do here. So if you had another problem, even if it was a variable or if it was a number, doesn't really make a difference. Let's say you had 8 to the 3/5 power. What you can do is you can rewrite that as the 5th root of 8 to the 3rd power. So the denominator here goes there, and your numerator go on the inside here. There's a lot more theory and explanation kind of going on behind the scenes, but for us, in this case, let's just worry about being able to rewrite a term here, rational exponents, into radicals, and you'll really want to be able to go the other way too, writing the radicals. So if you started here, and then being able to go that way. So we should be able to go in both directions. That's it for this video. I just want to explain that and make sure you're getting used to that setup.